The 30-minute segmented struct. You're tired, unmotivated, confused. Your body is screaming, but you don't know why. It's not your fault. Your internal sensor is off. People struggling to wake up, holding their head, losing focus at work. What if I told you there's a sensor inside you, controlling your energy, emotions, sleep, metabolism, and it's out of balance? What is the sensor? Explanation: brain-gut connection, nervous system, endocrine organs, etc. Dopamine, serotonin. This sensor is your body's internal communication system, a mix of your brain, nervous system, hormones, gut, and even your breath. When your sensor is working well, you feel clarity, calm, drive, and purpose. But stress, bad food, no sleep, and screens destroy it. Signs: your sensor is damaged, can't sleep deeply anymore, angry for no reason, constant brain fog, sugar cravings every evening. These are not random. These are your sensor's warning signals. Your body is smarter than you think. Every symptom is a signal. You just need to learn the language. 5 reasons why your sensor breaks, each one explained with animations. Too much digital dopamine, phones, social media. 2. Processed food and fake sugars. 3. Sleep debt. 4. Suppressed emotions. 5. Disconnected breathing. And the worst part? Most people ignore all of this until the breakdown begins. How to fix it? Daily sensor reset ritual. Step 1. Wake up with sunlight, 3 minutes. Reset circadian rhythm, boost serotonin. Step 2. 5 minutes of cold water splash and deep breathing. Shock sensor awake, boosts nerve endings. Step 3. 7-minute movement. Body weight circuit signals the brain that body is safe and alive. Step 4. Eat sensor-friendly meal. Protein plus healthy fats plus greens. Avoid sugar crash. Step 5. Phone off hour. 1 hour a day without screens. Restore dopamine balance. Emotional reset journal. Ask, what is my body trying to tell me? Write freely for 5 minutes. Your sensor wants to work again. It's just waiting for you to show up. Real-life stories, plus testimonials, before and after, clips from interviews. I used to feel numb and tired every day. Now I wake up excited. I didn't take pills. I just followed the sensor ritual. This changed my life. I feel more like me than ever. Final message plus call to action. This is your sign. Reconnect with your body. Reset your sensor. Reclaim your energy. No more guessing. No more suffering in silence. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, what's your #1 body signal right now? Your body is not broken, it just needs you to listen.